Today I went scrolling through Pinterest and found some seriously creative upcycled jean ideas that honestly made me want to save every pair of denim I've ever owned. Some of these are cute, some are genius, and a couple of them made me say, why did I not think of that first? From denim bags to home decor to beautiful finished creations, these ideas are giving expensive boutique energy without the boutique price tag. And you already know I love that. I linked the Pinterest board down in the description so you can go look through all the ideas and patterns yourself. And I want you to vote for your favorite idea in the comments, because once we hit 100 votes, I may recreate the winning project in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love sewing, upcycling, creative Pinterest finds, and turning old clothes into something fabulous. Because we are not letting good denim go to waste around here. Now let's see which one of these ideas deserves a standing ovation from the sewing machine. One thing I think people seriously underestimate about old jeans is just how strong denim really is. There is a reason denim has been around for generations and never really goes out of style. This fabric was originally made for hard work, long days, rough conditions, and people who needed clothing that could actually survive real life. That is why when you pick up an old pair of jeans, even if they are faded or worn out in spots, most of the fabric is still incredibly durable. And honestly, that is what makes denim such a goldmine for upcycling projects. Those thick seams, sturdy pockets, belt loops, and layers of fabric can be turned into so many beautiful creations instead of ending up forgotten in a closet or tossed into the trash. I love seeing people transform something so ordinary into bags, organizers, home decor, patchwork projects, and creative sewing ideas that look like they came straight out of an expensive boutique. The best part is that imperfections in denim actually make projects look even better because the faded colors, frayed edges, and worn textures add personality and charm you cannot buy in a store. That is probably why denim projects always feel so cozy, creative, and full of character. It is like every pair of jeans already has a story before you even start sewing. Some denim pieces have probably lasted longer than relationships, kitchen appliances, and half the things people order online these days. If you want even more sewing inspiration, check the description because I link tutorial videos from other videos and new ideas you can watch anytime for even more creative projects. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know you want more videos like these. And be sure to like and subscribe to Ms. Angela Sawyer for more sewing, upcycling, and Pinterest inspiration. And when this video is over, make sure you watch the next video coming up because I have even more creative ideas waiting for you there.